Most editing tutorials teach you useless techniques, gatekeep context, and waste your time. This one teaches you the style behind a $5,000 project and exactly how to replicate it yourself. What is up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? It's your boy Denny X Studios, or Danny, whatever you want to call me. Today we have an absolute banger for you. I'm going to show you the tips,
the tricks, the techniques, the techers, bruv,
for everything you're going to need to know with Apple style. I'm going to give you all the tools, and you need to go build yourself an edit. So you're not just going to copy paste whatever I make. You can apply this to whatever your heart desires. That being said, peak game and lock in. Just like we start out any other edit, we're going to need to make a new comp. You can name it whatever you want. Width 1920, height 1080, frame rate, duration, and then hit OK. I'm going to make a solid, layer, new, solid. Just name it BG and make it white. Once you have the assets, so the logo you're going to do this with and the text, I'm going to select all of it and make a null. I'm then going to center the square logo. I'm then going to drag the text to the right, highlight the two shape layers, P, Shift, T, hit the keyframe, and then go 7 keyframes forward. Then drag the layers down and turn opacity down to 0. Highlight all the keyframes and then apply this graph. Go to bouncer, position, and then hit bounce it. Highlight the position keyframes and click the little graph button. I want to highlight the little handles on the right and then drag them up. Obviously you're going to need to alternate it, gives it that nice clean look. Then highlight both of the shape layers and connect it to a null. I'm just going to label it orange so that I don't forget. Set a position keyframe and then align the text so that it starts at that position keyframe. Set a position keyframe on the text and then move all of it so that it's in the center of the comp. Then go to the start of the text and just drag it to the left. Grab the rectangle tool and make it so it covers the entire text layer. I'm just going to trim it here. Hit the toggle switches - modes button and track matte the word to the shape layer. Add fast box blur and make the value around 45-ish, give or take. Add a position keyframe and then drag the box to the right. Highlight all the keyframes and then add this graph to it. And then you pretty much have the basic setup. To make it look a little cooler though, we're going to want to make this whole thing 3D. So hit the little box icons on the right and then make a camera. Attach a null by going layer, new, null object, make it 3D, and use the parent whip on the camera. Add a position keyframe and then zoom in a whole bunch. Add this graph. Go ahead and create another null object, make it 3D, and parent the first one to the second one, add a position keyframe, and then I'm just going to cut all the layers here. Drag it any direction you want. I'm just going to drag it to the left. Actually, never mind, I'm going to drag it up. Then add this graph finally, and your first scene should be done. Alright, well that's the end of the video. I appreciate y'all boys for watching. This is the first part of hopefully many to come. If this video hits 100 likes, I'll post part 2 and drop some more game on how I edit in that Apple style. You know, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like. If you didn't, drop a dislike and tell me why you didn't like it in the comments, you know. Always trying to improve, baby. But anyways, peace out, homies.